In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Binance account unlock issue typically encountered due to the Binance face verification failed error, also known as error 609003. If you're having trouble accessing your account because the face verification process isn't working correctly, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some effective troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue promptly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account. If the system detects any discrepancies with your facial verification, you may be prompted with an option to verify now. Tap on this button to begin addressing the problem immediately. Next, let's talk about retrying the face verification process. It's best to find a well-lit setting that is both quiet and free from distractions. Natural light can be incredibly beneficial for these types of verifications, so if possible, try to position yourself near a window or in a room with ample overhead lighting. A quiet environment will also help you focus, ensuring your full attention is on the verification process. Before you proceed, make sure to remove any accessories that might interfere with the scan. This includes glasses, hats, or any digital filters you may have active on your device's camera. These can obstruct the facial recognition system, causing it to fail. Now let's talk about positioning. Utilize the front camera on your smartphone or device and ensure that your face is properly aligned inside the guide box on your screen. Keeping your face centered and maintaining a steady position will increase the likelihood that the system successfully completes the scan. If you've diligently followed these steps and the verification process still fails, it's time to reach out to Binance support. You'll need to contact their support team and submit a ticket. Make sure to include all necessary details, including a form of valid identification to help expedite the process. This step is crucial as it allows Binance to manually review your account and associated details to rectify the issue. Once you've submitted your ticket and identification, you'll need to wait for Binance to perform a manual review of your account. It can take some time, so ensure your contact details are up to date for any follow-up. During this period, patience is key. Binance will notify you once your account is unlocked and you regain access. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to resolve the face verification issue and regain access to your Binance account. Remember, each step is crucial, from the environment you're in to the submission of valid ID for manual review. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in fixing this issue. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might be facing the same problem.